Welcome to Motivation of Life. Get ready for an exciting journey as we embark on the second episode of our series on how to obtain a Canada visit visa. If you missed the previous video, you could find the link in the video description. In today's video, we aim to empower individuals on their journey to exploring new horizons and fulfilling their dreams. In this episode, we will delve into the essential documents required for a visitor visa to Canada. Planning a trip to Canada is an exciting prospect, but the key to a successful venture lies in meticulous preparation. Starting with the right documentation. Exploring the necessary documentation. Understanding the specific documents required for a Canadian visitor visa is crucial. For those planning a tourist visit, certain documents can significantly bolster your application. These include demonstrating your travel history, showcasing your itinerary, providing proof of financial stability, and offering clear identification documents. Enhancing your application. While some documents are mandatory, others are optional yet beneficial. Utilizing a representative. Allowing the release of personal information, and providing comprehensive family information can enhance your application's strength. Remember, thoroughness and accuracy in your documentation are essential to stand out in the visa application process. Travel history required. No, optional. Visa application. Providing evidence of your travel history can significantly bolster your application. If you have previously traveled to Canada or other countries, this information showcases your ability to obtain a visa. Proof can include copies of previous visas in your passport and entry/exit stamp. Include clear copies of previous passports and/or visas used within the last 10 years for international travel. Entry and exit stamp. Study and/or work permits indicating your duration outside your country. When you may need this document, submit with the visa application to demonstrate your travel experience and visa compliance history. Itinerary required. No, optional. Visa application. Your itinerary outlines your planned stay and activities during your visit to Canada, including details such as flight information, hotel reservations, or event registrations can be beneficial. Submit copies of flight details, hotel reservations, registration for any events planned during your stay. When you may need this document, submit with the visa application to provide a clear plan of your stay in Canada. Account statement required. No, optional. Visa application and account statement offers insights into your financial capacity to support yourself during your time in Canada. Key details to include are bank name and contact information, proof that the account is yours, name and address on the statement, at least 6 months of account details, showcasing balances and transactions. When you may need this document, submit with the visa application to demonstrate financial stability and capability to cover your expenses. Identity document required. Yes, visa application. Your valid passport or travel document is a crucial piece of identification. Ensure you provide a clear color copy, including pages displaying your birth date, country of origin, stamps, visas, or markings. If using a travel document, ensure it includes your name, date of birth, document number, citizenship or residency status, a clear photo, expiry date, if applicable. When you may need this document, submit with the visa application as an essential identification document. Use of a representative, IMM 5476, required. Yes, Required. If applicable, if a family member or third party is representing you in the application process, they need to complete the IMM 5476 form. When you may need this document. Submit with the visa application if someone is representing you in the application process. Authority to release personal information to a designated individual, IMM 5475, required. No, optional. Visa application. If you wish to allow Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, to release your personal information to a designated individual, use the IMM 5475 form. When you may need this document, submit with the visa application if you want to grant access to your case information to a chosen individual. Family information, IMM 5645, required. Yes, required. Visa application. Each applicant aged 18 or older must complete the IMM 5645 form providing details about their family. When you may need this document, submit with the visa application to provide information about your family. Minor children required. Yes, required. Visa application, if applicable. The necessary documents for minor children traveling to Canada vary based on whether they are traveling alone or with a parent, relative, or friend. Depending on the circumstances, you may need to provide a letter authorizing the minor child to travel to Canada, additional documents such as adoption papers or a custody decree. When you may need this document, submit with the visa application if you are traveling with minor children. These documents serve as crucial support for your Canadian visitor visa application. Ensure you gather and provide all necessary documents according to your specific circumstances and purpose of travel. Conclusion: embarking on a journey to Canada can be a life-changing experience, filled with new experiences and opportunities. Navigating the visa application process is the first step, and arming yourself with the right documents is paramount. Ensure you submit a well-organized, accurate, and comprehensive set of documents, reflecting your genuine intent to visit and explore the beauty of Canada. Stay motivated and believe in the possibilities that await on the other side of your visa approval. Safe travels and a fulfilling adventure in Canada await.